What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wulf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. And today, I'm going to be swapping out some old parts out with the old and with the new. I just got some stuff in from Ripp. And what else is going on? P0300, P0300, the random misfire, so the misfire. That's going on right now. So my check engine light is on. I was turning it off because, you know, I got the little scanner now, but I decided to leave it on. I'm gonna try to address the issue instead of ignoring the issue. So I may or may not have a bad injector. Can't fix that today, but I'm gonna be swapping out some old parts because you guys know my car's been supercharged for like 2 years. It's been a couple years now. So they've obviously updated and upgraded parts. So I got the new parts in. So we're gonna throw those on in this video and see if there's any difference and see what they look like. It definitely looks better. Let me show you real quick. So this is the new one, the new piece. As you can see, they used to use this thing. So I'm gonna take that off so you guys can get a good look at it, just in case you're getting your supercharger now. All right, 1 second. Also, before we move on, this sock has really saved this filter. It is still red in there. It's still like brand new looking. Man, let me tell you, my other joint was going through it. It'd be black and full of bugs. So I love this filter so far. And I don't think it's restricting the air because my car hasn't gotten no slower. So shout out to Ripp for that. So we'll go ahead and I'll take this off. Sun burning up my back. Not recording. Shout out. Is it recording? It is recording. Embarrassing. So, yeah, someone's burning up my bizac. Come here. Yeah, that thing's still clean in there, brother. Still brand new. Eat off that thing. Loosen up all that stuff and get the new one on. Playing around, champ. Embarrassing. Haha. See if you're playing with me. So, put this back on. Whoops. So, a bit of a side-by-side. This is the new one. This is what they're using now. This is what they were using initially. As you can see, this thing is damaged. But, you look inside, the hole does not go all the way through. So, it wasn't like I was having any leaks, but this thing is damaged. So, I got the updated one. We're going to throw this thing on. And this is what another piece I just got in. So this is gonna attach to that pipe right there. This thing is extremely hard to find. I went to Home Depot, Lowe's, was talking to plumbers and all types of stuff. Just order it from Ripp. Just order it from Ripp because it's a weird size. So yeah, just let Ripp know you need this if you have an old supercharger kit like I do. All right, set this thing back up, brother. Get off me, bug. Yeah, this is a hard piece to find. So, this piece right here, just ordered from Ripp. Like I said, I was talking to people. I was going to Home Depot, Lowe's. I even ordered some random joints off eBay. A bunch of these. None of them fit. It was like an assortment. So, I should have just contacted Ripp from the get-go. I don't know what I was thinking. Come on, B, I'm trying to work, man. Get out of here. Making all that noise. wrenches down there. Probably hand tighten it. Nope, need the wrench. It's an 11, just a heads up. So you go ahead and grab your 11. I probably need a little extender thing. Yeah, so you'll probably need an extender because it is a little tight. So yeah, but this thing fits snug. Even before I tighten it, it feels way better than the whatever this material is. Embarrassing. So, like I said earlier, my check engine light is on right now. So I haven't really noticed any performance loss while the check engine light has been on, but still, the car is handling slower. As y'all know, my best time was a 3.8. The other day, granted, that was during big boost weather, but the other day I got like a 4.4. I was like, what the hell? So that was kind of whack. Actually, let me take this off. Attach this thing right now. Duh. It's not. You don't need to be a mechanic to do this shit. So, this is what we are looking at right now as far as what is, it's much longer, which I like. So once everything is said and done, this thing will sit much further in this corner once I attach this on, obviously. So I'm pretty happy about that, because before it would be like right here and all this extra space used to subconsciously bother me. So once everything is said and done, I actually do gotta run to the store because like it is a size 11, but I need the longer wrench set. Because if you look at this thing, wow, it's pointing at my face, not the thing. So if you look at this, once it gets this thing right here, these are like gonna crush, I guess. But once you get down to a certain length, it's not gonna go no more because the screw is all the way inside of there. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's and grab a longer wrench and come back and finish tightening everything up, put everything back together. So a small dilemma, but I'm liking how it looks so far. And so it's always a good idea to pop your hood, especially once you mod it, to pop your hood and look at what's going on under your car. So it just so happens I'm looking under the hood, I was checking my belt, and my belt is jacked up. Look, and don't ask me how I saw it. So let me zoom in. But I had to zoom in even more. Right here. Look at that. No, I know what I would have been if that joint would have popped while I was driving. So, yeah. Definitely got to get that fixed soon. So that's another thing. Just once it's boosted, just look under your hood and make sure you see what's going on under here. Because and you gotta, like, I'm not a master of RIPP, but I'm one of the, I like to say I'm one of the more pioneered people in RIPP, because the only person I can, there's only a couple YouTubers that were before me, probably 86 Face and my man Greg with the Super Supercharger. Other than that, like I was before Lucky and pretty much everybody else. My man with the 300 car Orca, Car Orca. I think I'm saying it right. Shout out to him. So yeah, I know what's going on under my hood for the most part. So yeah, definitely got to get that fixed. Damn. So pretty much everything is attached at this point. Damn, look at them bugs right there. Sheesh. Man, this thing is tearing. Must be something's hitting that thing hard. At least it's not in my filter though. What's that thing? Gotta put the rip at the top so people know what's going on when I pop the hood. Tighten this up. This is how everything is going to look once it's all tightened up. Like I said before, I'm really glad that that thing is out of the car. It's kind of an eyesore. And it was damaged. So, yeah, look at the oil in there. Oh, there it is. Boom. Big oil in there. It might be time to change the catch can. Yeah, all I got to do is tighten this bolt up before I can drive it. So, I'm gonna hop in the Elantra and go to Lowe's real quick, give you guys a drive. So, fresh back from Lowe's, I got it all screwed on tight, everything is snug. So I'm gonna start everything up, make sure I don't have any leaks or boost leaks or anything like that. I'm gonna do a short drive and hope the belt doesn't rip. It doesn't look like it's gonna rip like today or anything like that, but it is teared. So that is going to be something that I have to get fixed. Or, yeah. Alright. Start it up for you guys. Give you guys a cold start. I haven't started it in a day or so, so should be a decent cold start. Still working out some kinks. I'm working out the kinks so you guys don't have to. So when you finally get ready to supercharge your car, or maybe you're not gonna supercharge your car, you're just watching for entertainment or whatever. So you can just see what it's like and what goes on. But yeah, if you are planning to supercharge your car, let me work these kinks out for you so you can save as much money as possible. The RIPP kit is improving in the short time between when I got it and where it is now. It has changed. Even what you get when you buy the kit. I think now when you purchase the kit, I think it actually comes with the catch can. Don't quote me on that. But when I bought my kit, you had to buy it. When I bought my kit, they didn't even have a catch can. They didn't have a catch can and they didn't have exhaust when I purchased my kit. So yeah, just bear with me. Enjoy the journey. I just put it in sport mode. You know, I said I wasn't gonna go too hard, but I can't record me driving without doing a little something. Alright. So I don't think we have no leaks. It didn't feel sluggish or anything like that. I'm not hearing it. Last time when my boost piping wasn't connected properly, I could actually hear it. I could hear the air, the extra air. So I don't want to do too much on a residential road, even though the speed limit over here is like 45 or something like that. Boost weather is over. degrees out here. And I got pretty much a full tank of gas, but a 4.6 is slow for my car. So with the check engine light on, I probably shouldn't be doing that. But hey, I had to do it for the culture. And with the belt, I definitely shouldn't be doing that. But hey, live and you learn. So yeah, head back to the house, close the video out. Yeah, man. P0300 Random Misfire. We swapped some old parts out, got some new parts out. So, you know, kind of a complete video. I've been trying not to just put a video out for everything that I do. I know some people like that, some people don't. So if it feels like the videos have slowed down, they have slowed down because I'll be having nothing to shoot, you know. So as you can see, we swapped out some parts. We got massive performance losses between it's not being boost weather, it's summer. So, you know, it's probably a little bit of the summer, but I feel like it's a little bit of the misfire thing as well. Because last summer, I believe my best was a 4.2. Yeah, like a 4.2. So, yeah, got some problems we got to figure out. Like I said, we're still working out kinks. So, I'm at my humble abode now. And one thing, I just want to say one thing. I know I don't present myself as like a tough guy on this YouTube thing because it's just me and I'm doing my own thing and I'm like, yeah, my nigga this, yeah, my nigga that, and acting all super extra. But I had a comment on one of my videos. The guy was like, yeah, I just drove by your house. I was like, I commented back like, why didn't you knock on the door? Because I feel like he was trying to be tough and like malicious or something like that. I was like, bro, if you really have an issue with something I say in my video, or let me take my hat off so you guys know I'm serious. If you have an issue or you feel like you want to do something because of something I said on my YouTube channel, where you are subscribed or not subscribed, you're just watching, bro, when you see me in the street, say something. If you see me and if you saw my house and whatever, like, bro, knock on my door, champ. I'll come out and I'll address whatever issue you feel like you want to address. And then after you do what you do, or I do what I do, or we both do what we do, we go our separate ways respectfully. But don't be like, oh, I just like, bro, if you got a problem, sir, knock on my door. Or when you see me driving, flash your headlight, get behind me. Because you're not gonna get in front of me. But we get behind me, flash your headlights. Bro, I will pull over. I don't know what type of guy y'all think I am or how I come off. But if you got an issue, like I've never told you guys what I do or what I did before YouTube. So maybe I'll put that in the video, but I'm not one of those people, brother. I can't stop your takeoff, but I'll crash your landing. I'm gonna just leave it at that. Chill. So to wrap up the video, we got more issues to figure out. You know, it's the modding journey. So tune into the next one. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba doo.